Hey guys, this is DJ Lee. I'm back. So I know that I've been gone for how many weeks, but I don't know if you know, but there's something that was very tragic that happened to my channel. This is not gonna stop here. I'm gonna keep trying to get my ads back. This is some kind of misunderstanding. I hope you guys can continue to support me. And I would really love to do what we do, which is to vlog. So you guys, I'm so happy to be back. I love you guys. And let's do some crock pot recipe. This time it's pot roast. This is thyme. You guys see that? Thyme. So good. The herb. And then we'll put... Wait a second, Papa. We'll put some garlic.
I want to put garlic.
Okay, go ahead and put garlic. Yay. Ayan. One more. I'm sure it's good. And then we're gonna put some patis. Can you put patis? Okay, but not too much, okay? Alright, go hold my spoon. Let's put patis. It will be perfect. One.
No!
Oh, sorry. Okay, your turn. And two. Alright, go ahead. Go ahead, put it. Nice. Maybe you'll follow Mama's footsteps and you'll be the cook. And then you mix, Luke. Make sure you mix. Okay. Are you gonna eat this?
No.
Seriously?
There's no way of eating that.
Let's try it. Make sure it tastes good.
I know, go upstairs now.
It's pretty good. I put red wine. Guys, taba. Hala. Delikado. Very, very tender. You guys, very tender. Look. It's good. Then we have our taba. Look at this, pang bulalo po. All our taba is there. Alright, so we're gonna try to put in our potatoes. And carrots. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Mega love shout out to Nanay Ethel Vlog, to Miss Ryan Rain Chet. Thank you very much to my Solid Lias team family, my team Kazuka, Kapit lang, Bangon po, and this is DJ Lee signing out. Thank you guys, love always.